National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Smith County in northeastern Texas, western Marion County in northeastern Texas, southwestern Cass County in northeastern Texas, northwestern Harrison County in northeastern Texas, Franklin County in northeastern Texas, northwestern Rusk County in northeastern Texas, Wood County in northeastern Texas, Upshur County in northeastern Texas, southern Morris County in northeastern Texas, southern Titus County in northeastern Texas, Camp County in northeastern Texas, Gregg County in northeastern Texas, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northeast of Cooper Lake State Park to near Sulphur Springs to near Hawk Cove to near Dallas, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Tyler, Longview, Mount Pleasant, Kilgore, White House, White Oak, Gladewater, Gilmer, Mineola, Pittsburgh, Winnsboro, Leesburg, Lindale, Mount Vernon, Dangerfield, Overton, Bullard, Troop, Quitman, and Lone Star. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across. Seek shelter now inside of...
This is Weather Desk here at KSST, 1230 AM, Sulphur Springs. Thank you, Matt. We have one more coming in. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Van Zandt and Rains counties as well in this area. So if you're in Van Zandt and Rains County, that's going to be south and slightly southwest of our area. This is a fair-sized storm center, and it's a big monster moving in on us. And it has been a stormy night north of us and northwest of us. This thing is coming to the south and southeast, and it is a monster storm. As I said a few minutes ago, it has a history of producing at least one, maybe two tornadoes in its track as it's coming this direction. I had to take a little break a while ago, get something to eat, and checked on the Weather Channel, and they are reporting, yes, that we have a storm here that is serious enough to worry about. In places, the wind reached 80 miles an hour, but it looks like we have 70 mile an hour wind forecast and pretty size hail. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 82 and 142. Mile marker 125, folks, is the exit to the overpass or to the get off at South Broadway here in Sulphur Springs. That puts us almost in the middle of this thing, so it is here. The sirens still continue to wail outside, so please seek shelter. If you're not in a place where you can be sheltered, try to find something somewhere. This is KSST 1230 AM Sulphur Springs. The Weather Desk is sponsored by Alliance Bank here in Stormwatch. I'm James Terry. Let's get back to programming.